My name is Matthias and I'm responsible for engineering here at VChain. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to run a node on the Zero Trust Consortium's blockchain. All you need to do is get access to the source code and be a little bit familiar with interacting with the command line. As a little remark, as this is a very early release, things might change a little bit. We always ship our code with a README file that should give you very clear instructions on how to proceed. So I'm now copy and pasting this repository's URL and git clone this repository onto my local machine. I go into the source code and all I have to do is edit one single file. So there is an example file already, so I copy the example file into the real one. I now edit the real file and just change the placeholder to my company name. This is VChain in my case, of course. The source code consists of an init.sh bash script that does all of the heavy lifting for you. So the only thing I need to do is I have to think of a highly secure password, and then the init.sh does all the heavy lifting for me. So for example, the creation of a public-private key pair, the layout of the directories, all of that is handled by the little bash script here. So this takes now a couple of seconds and then we're almost good to go to run a node on the CTC. So this script now should exit with an exit code 0, which is the Unix way of saying everything worked perfectly. Here you have it, exit code 0. Just to demo a little bit what happened in the background, I open the .env file again, and I now see that, for example, the public key has been added to this file. I didn't need to care about that. The shell script did all of that work for me. The last thing to do now is to Docker compose up all of the necessary instances and we're good to go. So I now see here that the node has already the right name. So here you see the VChain from what I edited before. And as this is a testnet, don't worry too much about the warning messages that are displayed now. We're just trying out a lot of stuff. So now the blockchain has started to synchronize and you see here the latest block number. Currently we're running at a latency of 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds you should now see a newly mined block. Voila! You're now running a replica node of the Zero Trust Consortium, and this took us no more than 3 minutes. I think it cannot get any easier than that. Please stay informed of what we're about to ship next. We have a lot of cool things in the pipeline. See you next time.